Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about the 6 important steps to build the reliable agentic AI system. So today many people can build AI agent, but building an agent that reliable and safe and ready for production is much more difficult. So in this video, I will explain the 6 steps in very simple language, right? So let's start. Step one. So step one is the agent architecture. So first step is agent architecture. Architecture is the foundation for of any on any AI agent, right? So if the architecture is weak, the entire system becomes unstable. So a good AI agent follow 4 steps. First is the perceive. It means the agent collect the information from the user or environment. Second one is the think. The agent analyze the information and create a plan. The third one is the act. The agent perform the required task, finally observe, and the agent check the result and learn from it, right? This cycle repeat continuously, right? Many AI project fail because this loop is not designed properly. So it is the always the AI model that fails. So most of the time the architecture is the real problem. So before using the advanced AI model, build a strong foundation. Step 2, build memory that persists, right? So the second step is a memory. Imagine talking to a person who forget every conversations, right? That could be frustrating. The same thing happen with AI agent. Without memory, and AI agent behave like a chatbot that start from the zero every time. So reliable agent need two types of memory. One is the called short term memory. It's remember the current conversation, and the second one is the long term memory. So it stores the useful knowledge for the future interaction. So many developer also use the model context protocol that is called the MCP. So MCP help AI agent to connect with the external tools and data source. When memory work correctly, the AI agent become the smarter, more personalized, and the more useful. The step three is the evaluate before you see, right? It means the third step is the evaluation, right? Never deploy AI agent without testing it. The traditional machine learning metrics are not enough. Instead of evaluate your AI agent carefully, check the accuracy. Is the agent correct? Check the faithfulness. Okay, is the answer is based on the real information? Check the relevance, right? Does the answer solve the user questions? So finally check the tool success. Did the agent use the external tool correctly? So framework like deep evaluation make this proper process. There is one framework called the deep evaluate, right? So also integrate the evolution into your CI/CD pipelining, right? So this means every update is tested on the automatically before the deployment. So testing save the time and prevent the costly mistake, right? Step 4. So layer your safety control, right? The fourth step is the safety. AI system face many security risks. For example, prompt injection attack, right? Sensitive data leakage. So one safety layer is never enough. So reliable AI system use the multiple layers of protection. So validate your input, filter the unsafe output, protect sensitive information, add human approval for the critical action. Security should never be afterthought, right? So build it from beginning. Step 5, the make it invisible visible, right? The fifth step is the imagine your AI agent is make a mistake. So how do you know what happened? So simple log are often not enough, so you need to trace. So tracing, so every step in AI agent, right? So it's so which tool used and how the time was taken and how much money was spent. So where the error happened and how we can confidently the AI was. So platform like LangSmith helps developer to monitor the AI agent in real time, right? So we have to we have to absorb the every debugging, okay, so that we can easier the task, right? So if you cannot see what your AI is doing, you cannot approve it, right? So that is a very important step. This is the next step is a step 6. So deploy as a complete system. So final step is the deployment, right? So many people think deployment means uploading the codes, right? But production deployment is much more than that, right? So a complete AI system include a user interface, secure API connection, secret the management, okay, and also monitor the system. And after that, the safety concern is required, so we have to use the safety guardrails, okay, and also we have to perform the evaluation pipelines, right? So every should work together, right? So a production ready AI is not just a notebook demonstration, it is the complete software system that user can trust. So in the at the end of this video, the final conclusion is, let's quickly review this six steps. So first step is to build the strong AI architecture. Second is the give your AI persistent memory. Third is the evaluate your deployment. Fourth is the use the multiple safety layer. And fifth is the monitor everything, everything and every tools. And finally the deployment. So complete system with proper security that should be monitored, right? So if you follow this six step, you can build AI agents that are reliable, scalable, and ready for the real world applications. So thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like this video and share it with others, and subscribe for the more AI and technology content. See you in the next video. Happy learning.